We're going to be showing you how you can close all your Safari tabs on your iPhone. Quick and short and to the point, let's get into the content.
So first you have to open up your Safari app and it's going to bring you to your web page. On your web page, you'll see these three dots on the bottom right corner. Click these three dots. Once you do so, it's going to pop up with this window. On this window, you'll see this option that says All Tabs. Simply click this option and it's going to bring you to this interface. On this interface, you can see there's no option to close all tabs. So what you have to do is, you simply have to choose one web page over here. You can choose any web page and long press it. Once you do so, it's going to pop up with this window and you have to release your finger. And then you'll see this option that says Close Other Tabs on the bottom. You simply have to choose this option, and once you do so, it's going to just close all tabs. Now, you can close the remaining tab, this one over here, by clicking this cross over here. And here you go. That's how you do it.